everyone, good morning. This is me, Renu Gupta, and a warm welcome to the new year. As we start 2025, it's time for a fresh beginning, new opportunities, and exciting possibilities. Let's embrace the spirit of growth and positivity as a move forward. And the bulletin starts with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 may launch soon. RBI introduced new regulations for UPI apps starting from January 1. Google Pay and PhonePe rejoin. XPG-A data partners with the Acro, KBC and Tags revolutionize storage solutions in India. WhatsApp likely to roll out a reverse image search feature for web users. GTA 6 most anticipated game for 2025 gainer 230 million views on trailer. BSNL brings two new prepaid plans for a user Google Chrome extension under attack. Hackers are spreading code to steal sensitive information. And in the previous quiz, we asked you who developed the Jetson Oreo Nano, a super generative AI supercomputer designed for edge device. And the answer is NVIDIA. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Which device is used to primarily for a data storage? Confident you have got the answer. Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin if you nailed it. First up, Qualcomm is reportedly gearing up for an early release of next flagship chip, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, which could debut ahead of its usual schedule. Leaks suggest a new chipset internally called SM8850 could arrive sooner than expected, providing smartphone brands with the extra time to integrate it into upcoming device. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is expected to offer a significant performance gains, including a 20% improvement to CPU performance, built-in TSMC's N3P process for a better efficiency and power. While this Snapdragon 8 Elite is just reaching market, rumors for an early release on Gen 2 version have stirred excitement among each enthusiast. Starting January 1, 2025, the Reserve Bank of India introducing a key changing to UPI transaction, enhancing a user convenience. Now, major update is increasing that UPI 123 pay transaction limit, which will rise up to 5,000 to rupees 10,000 per day. The feature phone user, this adjustment aims to make a payment for a more accessible. Meanwhile, UPI transaction on apps like PhonePe, Paytm, and Google Pay as 1 lakh an expectation of emergencies, raising the limit of 5 lakh. Additionally, the UPI Circle feature initially available on the BHIM app will expand to the other platform, allowing users to delegate payments to a family, friends, and streamline transactions. Now, A-Data Technology, alongside the gaming brand XPG, has announced a strategic partnership with the leading Indian distributor Acro, KBC, and TAC to enhance the presence of the Indian market. This collaboration aims to expand a product ability to ensure a seamless access of XPG A-Data's innovative memory and storage solution. The partnership reflects XPG A-Data commitment to meeting India's growing digital demands with a focus on efficient distribution. Additionally, customers will the benefit of 100% warranty support and products purchased through these distributors with the RMA services provided across Pan India. WhatsApp is set to roll out a reverse image search feature of WhatsApp web user, helping to verify the authenticity of images and combat misinformation. Currently in beta testing for Android, this feature will allow user to upload suspicious images while Google on a verification. By tapping an image within a WhatsApp chat and selecting the reverse image search option from the three dot menu, user can check where the image has been uploaded for a similar image and excite online. This functionality aims to reduce the spread of these faults across checking images. There is a no word yet to yet feature that available for iOS user. Now, Grand Theft Auto GTA 6 has been making waves even before official release. The debut trailer launched on December 5, 2023, surpassed 230 million views at the end of 2024, nearly double the views of GTA 5. First trailer from 2011, which now has over 115 million views. That GTA 6 has broke up multiple records, including a most viewed video. Game reveal on YouTube in 24 hours with a staggering 90 million views on first day. Rockstar Games, the developer, confirmed the game release a window for fall 2025, sparking speculation about a second trailer. The trailer hints for return at a Vice City, inspired by a Miami, and suggests as a vast in-game map potentially covering a fictional state called Lenodia based on Florida. Fans are eagerly waiting for details and anticipation built for the game release. Now, the Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL) has launched the new affordable prepaid plans priced at rupees 628 to 215, available across India. This 628 plan offers 84 days service validity, including unlimited voice calls, 100 SMS per day, and 3 GB for daily data. Additionally, benefits include access to games, podcasts, and music services. Now, rupees 215, the plan provides 30 days validity with the similar perks, unlimited voice calls, 100 SMS per day, and 2 GB for daily data. Along with the same entertainment benefits, these new plans offer a great value for users seeking and high usage of voice calling benefits, especially in a market and a rising mobile plans price. Last, the sophisticated cyber attack has targeted a 16 Chrome extension, aiming to steal a sensitive data from Facebook and user. Cyber Havens, the investigation revealed that these malicious extensions were designed for extract a critical information such as user IDs, access tokens, cookies, and account credentials tied with the Facebook ad management. The attack, not specially directed from the Cyber Haven, involved malware injection across a various extensions including VPN and AI-related tools. The compromised extension included a well-known names at Parrot Talks and Unvoice. The Cyber Haven confirmed that the attack was targeted a login credential from a social media and an AI platform. The company assured users that only those with the auto updates enabled with the impact during the short video. This is for today's news. For more such tech update, follow IT Voice. Thank you.